I really wanted to come to this course because I've never had a formal training before. So I really wanted to get more knowledge and to see how my current experiments and my current process are going to be scaled up. So I really thought that it was a great opportunity.
We would like to invite
I would also like to express my sincere analysis in treatment of rare disease and universities.
화수분 바이오리스 등장 이용합니다. WHO와 대한민국 정부, 전남도 이러한 화순의 튼튼한 기반이
이번 전남바이오진흥원 바이오의약본부에서 진행하고 있는 교육사업은 WHO 글로벌 바이오 인력 양성 허브 교육 사업입니다. 이 사업은 WHO와 보건복지부 지원하에 중저소득 국가의 전문 인력을 바이오의약품 전문 인력을 양성하는 프로그램입니다. 근본 2025년에는 12개 국가 14명이 참여하여 현재 교육이 진행되고 있으며 본 교육을 수료한 이후에 교육생들은 각 국가로 귀국하여 바이오의약품 산업 발전에 핵심적 역할을 할 것으로 기대하면서 본 교육을 실시하고 있습니다.
My overall experience has been great. Trainers, they have a lot of experience, they have a lot of knowledge. They are so ready to answer all of our questions. They are very, very kind.
The program is very practical based. Whatever we learn theoretically, we also do it practically. This is one of the most good thing and practical thing in that training program.
A hands-on practice for me. I have never had such kind of trainings, especially with biology. So it has been really great because everything is ready for us, everything is prepared. We just have to fully attend it. This is very good.
I think this has been very helpful to me because I now understand the process, and then based on that I'm able to evaluate and then assess manufacturing processes and GMP inspection requirements very well to ensure that they comply with international standards.
We can use other kind of equipment that we don't have in Mexico, and we can produce more biotherapeutic vaccines in less time.
I would definitely recommend them for others, but probably to people who are willing to work more in a production line, because it's specifically for GMP Biomanufacturing, but also for some people who work in R&D departments also, so they can understand production line and people who work in production more.
Korean culture, Korean food, and the beautiful landscape of the Gwangju city, and I appreciate the honest and also the hospitality from the GBF and also the program manager.
Of course, I've had several trainings in the past, but this one has just been unique and it's different. And of course, if I will leave here with one wish and request, I will want to gather again with the same team, the same organizers over and over again. It's been splendid, it's been wonderful.